Most people imagine a silent retreat as awkward or intimidating, or maybe even a little boring. But if you ask anyone who's ever done one, they'll tell you the same thing. There's something that happens internally in silence that I can't put into words. Today, I want to take the mystery out of silent retreats and show you why silence is such a powerful reset for your mind, your body, and your relationships. First, let's talk about why silence feels so transformative. Silence isn't just the absence of talking, it's the absence of performance. It's the absence of the pressure to be on. Most of us have spent years reacting, defending, managing, overthinking, and carrying emotional noise that never turns off. When we step into a space where silence is held with intention, the nervous system settles, the mind stops chasing, the heart finally has room to speak. This is why so many people describe a silent retreat as a reset or even a turning point. And that's because silence eventually shifts us out of the part of our brain that keeps us feeling like we are on a never-ending treadmill. It's what's called the default network, and it's why you fantasize about laying on a beach. But when you actually get to the beach, you lie there in the sun and start thinking about your next vacation. The rest you're looking for isn't really at the beach. It's in your own mind and your ability to turn it off, to get out of the never-ending forward momentum and just be still. This is called the present-centered network of your brain. And getting there is a learned skill. That's exactly what we practice at our silent retreat. So what actually happens at a silent retreat? We start by setting up our space with cushions or blankets or candles, anything you need to feel safe and comfortable, to really settle in without distraction. You can sit or lie down or even stand as the day unfolds, so you don't need to worry about feeling like there's a rigid or right way to do it. From the beginning, we arrive in our bodies, breath, grounding, gentle awareness. You'll be surprised how quickly calm can show up when no one needs anything from you. The day is split into 6 teaching segments where I'll give you something to work with, to notice and feel, that will really expand your awareness of what it means to be in the present moment and what's keeping you from living in presence more consistently. It's a guided reflection framework that will give you simple prompts to work with, like, what am I carrying? What can I put down? What does my heart most long for? This isn't about forcing anything. It's about making space for what's already here. We'll also practice some yoga, slow, mindful movement, breath, and stretching to help the body unwind stored tension and help you learn how to use your body as an anchor back to presence in your daily life. Each extended section of quiet time, you'll find that insights arise. Without distraction, you start to hear the deeper layers of yourself, what hurts, what needs attention, and what is ready to heal. And what's really interesting is that the group energy makes a tangible difference. It creates an energy field or frequency that is so conducive to your healing. Because even though nobody speaks, you're not alone in this experience. There's something profound about being with others who are also choosing honesty, stillness, and presence. This is what the Buddhists call Sangha, and what Jesus Christ often points to when he speaks about oneness. If ye are not one, ye are not mine. This oneness is a tangible energy field that we can personally experience. And one of the best ways to do it is through silent retreat. After a silent retreat, people often say, I didn't know how tired I was, or I finally felt my own voice again, or my body feels lighter. I know what I need now. Silence reveals things that talking can't, and it creates space inside of us that we really can't find any other way. If this kind of reset is something your heart has been craving, I'm hosting a silent retreat in Salem, Utah on January 10th. You don't need experience. You don't need to be good at meditation. You just need to show up as you are. You'll find the details below, and you're welcome to join us.